everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name's Michelle, and on my channel I post new videos about luxury, planning, and travel. So if those are some things that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel down below and also hitting that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos every single week. So in today's video, I wanted to go ahead and share with you what fits inside the Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat. And isn't this bag just so tiny and so cute? This is the newest addition to my Louis Vuitton collection, and if you haven't yet seen my unboxing / reveal, I'll go ahead and link it right over here and also down below for you to go ahead and check out. So in today's video, I wanted to go ahead and share with you what fits, what sort of fits, and just a short overview of this bag. And so yeah, let's just go ahead and get started with the video. So this bag, it actually measures 5.5 by 6.7 by 2 inches. You can either carry it as a top handle bag, just like so, or you can also carry it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag using this removable, non-adjustable strap, which I'm gonna go ahead and set off to the side. This is what the bag looks like on the inside, and inside there is just a hole and then one removable flat pocket. So it does come out like all the way if you're kind of curious, and here's the date code. And yeah, I actually won't be getting an organizer for this bag because I just feel like it's just going to take up some unnecessary space, and also this bag is also just small enough as is, and I just feel like it's just going to act as a liner. And yeah, so no to the organizer. But yeah, so let me go ahead and show you what fits inside the Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat. So this one is my Louis Vuitton jean wallet. It's a long wallet, and this one does not fit. Well, I mean, it does fit, but it doesn't fit inside the Petit Sac Plat. As you can see, the top of it is showing. What I do suggest you use inside of this bag would be a long card holder, kind of just like this one. This is actually the insert from the Louis Vuitton jean wallet, and I just feel like a wallet like this one is the perfect fit for this one because it's so easy to kind of access because it's just as tall as the Petit Sac Plat. So it's really kind of easy to kind of just pull out because you don't have to kind of like dig your hand deep, but it's just like that perfect height. Something else that was pretty much a selling point was my iPhone 11 Pro Max. It fits inside of the Petit Sac Plat. This is my new phone case. It's actually just a clear case, and then I put some of the Louis Vuitton ribbon inside, and so this actually fits inside perfectly too. And this was, again, the selling point because my phone can fit, so that's when I knew that this bag was just big enough for me. So something else that I would carry inside with me would be my lip balm. So this one will go inside and fit in here. And then something else that I do need is my key pouch. So inside that flat pocket, I would go ahead and slide that. And so everything that I personally need would fit inside of here. So let me go ahead and share with you some other combinations. If you were interested, this one is the mini pochette. This one, it's a perfect fit inside of the Petit Sac Plat. And if you did really want to carry this mini pochette inside, you can go ahead and put your card holder in here, and that's actually a perfect fit. But I personally wouldn't do it, but maybe if you did and that was a question of yours, the mini pochette does fit inside of the Petit Sac Plat. Inside of the flat pocket, the 4-key holder also can fit too. So in case you were also interested, some sunglasses can also fit inside of the Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat. And so here is what that would look like depending on like your style of sunglasses. These ones, I don't think I've ever showed them here on YouTube, but these ones are my fiance's sunglasses, and they are also Louis Vuitton. And they have like this really beautiful Louis Vuitton engraving on the, what is this called? The lenses or the rim. So yeah, these ones are a perfect fit inside of the Petit Sac Plat, and then they can also fit in perfectly with a card holder, and then also with my key pouch too. So this would be a perfect fit and a really good combination. Also, if you were wondering, a pen can fit inside of the Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat, and that can fit perfectly here inside of the flat pocket. And yeah, so as you can see, this bag is pretty much just big enough, and it can fit like all of the essentials that I would personally need. Let me know if you have any questions about certain things and if they can fit inside of the Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat. But as you can see, it can pretty much fit a lot of things. So it's not as small as you would think. But yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below. I would be happy to help you out if I can. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!